Hello everyone, this is Shashwat Pandey and the topic of today's discussion is my country. India is not, as people keep calling it, an underdeveloped country, but rather, in the context of its history and cultural heritage, a highly developed one, but in an advanced state of decay. This Shashi Tharoor. India is a vast country with over 130 crore people as its population. This makes it the second most populated country in the world. India is a really diverse country which has multiple cultures and religions residing within it. India is also the birthplace of four major religions in our world, namely Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. It is one of the most important and key countries in the world, which has been due to the relentless efforts of our ancestors over the past few generations after independence. So we really have worked hard to gain this position. India has a rich history and culture which goes back to more than 20,000 years. This makes us the oldest civilization in the world. India has produced scores of most brilliant and brave people in the world. Who have lived through the ages due to their heroic deeds, valor and brilliance. India was a civilization that was way ahead of its times. For example, science and political science. All these modern, quote unquote, modern discoveries which are being made by NASA and all these other modern space agencies have been written in our ancient scriptures thousands of years back. But we have just not paid enough attention to them. The Indian history is full of struggle. So many invasions have scarred our country, but we have never lost our spirit and courage. Freedom was one of the most golden epics in the Indian history. Freedom from the British was such an important milestone in Indian history that because the independence which we gained was different from the independence which was gained by other countries like Italy, because our perpetrators were from a different culture, the Western culture, while we had our own Indian culture. This was a major key difference between us and the freedom which was gained by Italy and other foreign countries. Hence, our revolutionaries and freedom fighters had to work a lot harder to gain independence. We have lost a lot in the last 1500 years of constant invasion, but it was due to the courage of our ancestors that we have managed to survive and become the last surviving civilization in the world. We should now learn from the past and concentrate on the future to make more progress, because we should learn from the past, learn from our past mistakes, what we have done, apply them correctly in the situations which we are yet to face, and then use this information and knowledge wisely to make progress in the future. So with this I would like to end my speech. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.